Hey, good evening, good morning, whenever you're doing this, whenever you're watching this. I'm doing it on Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's Day. 47. No, that's not my age. I'm a couple years older than that. But this stock is giving us a pretty decent volatility squeeze, just looking at it here. Bollinger Bands are pretty tight, or excuse, not tight. They're actually fairly loose when you look at it on a percentage base, almost 20%. I like them like 5, 6%. So that can be an issue here, but it's really an issue of it not showing up on my scan. But it did show up in the forum in our trading room, so I decided to take a look at it, and this is what I see. I see a stock, obviously it's run up nicely, and wouldn't it have been nice to be the guy that bought it at $6? But I can't do anything about that. What I can do, though, is look at this stock, analyze it, and say, okay, let's see how this stock could trade. You see where we've got this. This was like the last high here, so almost $50. So $50 is really the resistance level for this stock. But the longer the stock trades sideways, the more, or I should say, the less relevant this last high becomes, just because as the stock trades, you kind of shake out the weak hands, people that aren't really committed to the stock. They just sell, and then gradually others pick it up. And so finally you get this average cost basis that's really, really tight here, really, really close to this level. And all you need to see is just a little breakout, and the stock can really move nicely. So that's what I'm looking for here. I would set an alert. I would suggest setting an alert literally at 46.05. You set an alert at 46.05, and if that is triggered, that means that the stock's up a little bit above today's intraday high and could just be starting to squeeze to the upside and break out and give you another nice run. It's a biotech stock. By definition, they're worthless. By definition, they can go to infinity. That's the wonder of biotech. So this could really work for you. Here's the other thing, though. If you're a member, I want you to be coming to our VWAP masterclass on Tuesday night. I'm teaching it along with Scott McGregor, and who's a real expert on squeezes, and he's going to teach you a different kind of VWAP. It's called anchored VWAP, where you could use that on a stock like this to find like the true level of support, as opposed to just, well, it looks like the 50-day moving average. So that's Tuesday night at 8 o'clock Eastern, 5 o'clock Pacific, but you have to be a member, and it's free. By the way, as soon as we're done with this, it's not going to be free anymore, not even to members. So this is like your one shot if you're a member. And if you want to be a member, just sign up for a trial. Go ahead and cancel on Wednesday. Hoodwink me. It's okay. I don't care. But I'd like you to see that. I'm going to be teaching you about VWAP and pivot points. Scott's going to do his thing. Probably take a couple hours. Maybe a little less, maybe a little more. I don't know. We've never taught it before. But this is your time to see this for free, meaning it doesn't cost you anything, right? And then after that, it will be a premium product along with various other trading tactics. So I want you there. Just sign up for a free trial. You'll get an email from my brother Gary, who's a heck of a nice guy, nicer than I am in many ways. Actually, in every way that matters, but that's for another story. He doesn't trade, I do, so pay attention to me, not him.